In this video, let's talk about how do 5x140.3 wheel spacers work on your Honda Civic Type R. 5x140.3 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the Honda Civic Type R an aggressive and chaff-filled appearance. Using 5x140.3 wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, rehab assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers, look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. Bonus also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, Bonus forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation groups to make brake cooling better, distributed in particle shape. These groups allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Besides, the Bonus Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.